Hello students, today we are going to start with English chapter 3 from your supplementary reader book It So Happened, and the name of the chapter is The Selfish Giant. Okay, so as you can see in the picture, there are small kids running here and there, and there is one huge man, maybe 10 times bigger than them. So whom do we call a giant? Probably someone who's really huge, right? So in this chapter we are going to learn about the giant's garden, which was very beautiful and children loved to play in it. And he who was selfish, he built a high wall around the lovely garden so that the children do not enter the garden thereafter. So let's begin with the chapter. Every afternoon, as they were returning from school, the children used to go and play in the giant's garden. It was a large, lovely garden. Okay, so every day after school, these children would go and play in a giant's garden, which was very lovely and large. And there were 12 peach trees that in the springtime broke out into delicate blossoms of pink and pearl, and in the autumn bore rich fruit. Okay, so spring is the time when flowers bloom. Okay, so there were these 12 peach trees in his garden which broke out into delicate blossoms of pink and pearl color flowers, and then again in the autumn time it would become like bore rich fruit. Okay, the birds sat on the trees and sang so sweetly that the children used to stop their games in order to listen to them. Okay, so there were like some birds sitting on the trees who were singing very nicely, and the kids would stop playing and listen to them. How happy were they? They would talk to themselves. As you can see this dialogue bubble. But one day the giant came back. He had been to visit his friends, the Cornish orc, and had stayed with him for 7 years. Okay, so he had been to visit his friend, the Cornish orc. Cornish means a giant of Cornwall. Cornwall is a place in UK, and orc is a cruel giant who eats people, a very frightening person. Okay, and he stayed with him for 7 years. The giant shouted and cried in a very gruff voice, and the children ran away. Gruff is a very surly and rough kind of a voice. Okay, so he shouted, "What are you doing here?" That is what he shouted. My own garden is my own garden. Anyone can understand that, and I will allow nobody to play in but myself. Okay, so this giant shouts as the shout at these children, saying that this is my own garden and I will be the only one playing. I want nobody else. He built a high wall all around it and put up a notice board. Okay, and I tried playing. So these children were like talking to him that first we'll see what board he put. Okay, trespassers will be prosecuted. Okay, trespassers are those who enter somebody's land or property without their permission, and prosecuted is tried in a court of law. If you do after the denial of the person, then you will be dragged to court. So this one is shouting from the wall that this is my own garden and I am the only one going to play over there. So these children are like, we have now nowhere to play. I tried playing on the road, but the road is very dusty and full of hard stones. I did not like it. So this one is saying that we tried playing on the road, but we didn't like it. How happy we were in the garden. The other one is saying how happy we were in the garden. They used to wander around the high walls when their lessons were over and talk about the beautiful garden inside. The giant was a very selfish one indeed. Okay, so they would talk about the beautiful garden that they were missing, and they would also think how selfish this giant was. Then the spring came, and all over the country there were little blossoms and little birds. Okay, as I told you, spring is a blooming season, and there were little blossoms and little birds. Only in the garden of the selfish giant it was still winter. Okay, as you can see, as if you go to compare both the pictures, the one towards your left and the one towards the right top. Okay, in the left side picture you can see a lotus blooming in the lake, and on the other side you can see that there is snow covered on the land. The birds did not care to sing in it, as there were no children, and the trees forgot to blossom. Okay, so he covered the garden with the wall, so there was no fun over there. The birds did not sing as there was nobody around, and the trees also forgot to blossom. Once a beautiful flower put its head out from the grass, but it was so sorry for the children that it slipped back into the ground again and went off to sleep. Okay, so once this little flower tried to bloom up, and then it saw that there were no children around, so it slipped back and went off to sleep. The only people who were pleased were the snow and the frost. Okay, the only people who were free, the only people who were pleased means only people who were happy were the snow and the frost. Spring has the snow covered up the grass with her great white cloak, and the frost painted all the trees silver. Okay, so all the trees were covered with snow and the frost. Then they invited the north wind to stay with them, and he came. Okay, as you can see in the picture, he roared all day about in the garden. The wind is blowing the chimney pots down. I can't even use the fire to keep me warm. Okay, so there was so much of a wind blowing that the fire could also not be put up. And then came the hail. He was dressed in grey, and his breath was like ice. Okay, so first the north wind came, which blew very hard and did not let even a fire to light. And then came the hail. Hail is when it's not snowing, but there are small pieces of ice falling from the sky. You call them hailstones. He was dressed in grey, and his breath was like ice. Okay, so here this one was dressed in grey. He ran around and around the garden as fast as he could. Okay, so this hail ran around the garden as fast as he could. Every day for 3 hours he rattled on the roof till he broke most of the slates. Okay, as you can see in the picture, that the roof has holes in it. So it rattle is the sound that the falling of the stones make, and it breaks the sheets that you put on the house. I cannot understand why the spring is so late in coming. I hope there will be a change in the weather. Okay, so this giant is thinking that why this spring is not coming. I think he is late. I hope there will be a change in the weather. But the spring never came, nor the summer. Okay, so there was no spring and summer. The autumn gave golden fruit to every garden, but to the giant's garden he gave none. Okay, so autumn gives nice golden fruits to all the gardens, but for the giant's garden it never came. So it was always winter there, and the north wind and the hail and the frost and the snow dance about through his trees. Okay, all these factors will not lead to any plantation. If there is lot of snow, lot of wind, lot of frost, hailstones, then do you think anything will grow in the garden? No. One morning the giant was lying awake in the bed when he heard some lovely music. It sounds so sweet. I think it must be the king's musicians passing by. Okay, so when he hears that sound, there he is wondering himself that it would be the king's musicians passing by. It was really only a little innate singing outside his window. Okay, so it was nearly a little linnet. Linnet is a brownish songbird found in Europe. It's a kind of a bird which is found in Europe which sings a song. But it was so long since he had heard a bird singing that it seemed to him to be the most beautiful musician in the world. Okay, so he heard someone singing after such a long time that he misinterpreted a bird with her world's most beautiful musician. The hail stopped dancing over his head, and the north wind ceased roaring, and a delicious perfume came to him through the open casement. Okay, so the hail stopped dancing means it stopped falling over his head, and the north wind ceased roaring means stopped roaring means stopped blowing, and a delicious perfume came to him means he could smell something very delicious through the open casement. Casement is a window that opens on hinges like a door. I believe the spring has come at last. That is what he is wondering. He saw a most wonderful sight. Through a little hole in the wall, the children had crept in. Okay, so he thinks that the spring has come, but actually he saw he saw a more wonderful sight. Through a little hole in the wall, the children were coming in, and they were sitting in the branches of the tree. Okay, and all these children were dancing sitting in the branch of trees. As he could smell the delicious perfume that came off from the casement, he believed that the spring has come, and at last he said the giant, and he jumped out of the bed to look out. Okay, so he was sleeping, and he got off his bed, and he thought that spring had come. Okay, so this is the first part of the chapter. The second part will continue. I hope you all have understood everything till here. Thank you.